Dear friends, good day. Now I'm going to introduce some operations and precautions when changing the mood of a machine. In order to quickly and easily change the corresponding moods for different bottles, we numbered the round and the square bottles from 1 to 8. You can see bottles we numbered 1 to 8. After changing the mood, we have the following parameters to be adjusted. First of all, we can adjust the parameters of the machine through the panel settings. We have completed the debugging of all products or your bottles before shipment, and we have added the corresponding programs for your 8 bottles. Through the parameter setting according to 1 to 8. You can setting and change by using the panel. Choose one programs when you want to label the bottles for the number 1 bottle. And if you change the bottle just like the number 5 bottle, then you can setting and choose the 5 parameters. We have added the 8 programs for your 8 bottles. You can choose the different parameters and programs according to their different bottles. The second point to note, when label different bottles, different jigs need to be replaced. When installing a fixture for the square bottle, you need to ensure that the top of the motor and the top of fixtures are parallel. Make them just. If it is to replace the round bottle jig, then there is no need to pay attention to the above matters when installing. Now let's look at the jig here. For the round and the square bottles numbered 1 to 7, we only need this jig to fix the bottle, but for the number 8 bottle, it needs to be replaced with this special fixture. When replacing the jig, you only need to loosen a few screws around the jig. Third, about the adjustment of the head of the bottom jig, it is necessary to raise or lower the entire plate. Please pay attention to the 1 and 6 mark on the machine. When the jig is adjusted to the position of mark 1, the jig is suitable for the bottle number 1 to 4. And when the position of the jig is adjusted to a position marked by 6, then will be suitable for the product for 6 to 8. And for the number 5 bottle, you need to lower the position of the fixture to a position in here, because the number 5 bottle is relatively large. It is necessary to minimize the position of the fixture to the lowest position. Fourth, regarding the front and back positions of the bottom jig, we mark 2 lines. Only need to adjust these 2 screws to complete the adjustment of the front and the rear positions of the jig. Fifth, the mood position that needs to be adjusted for different bottle size. As you can see, we have also made a mark. You only need to loosen the screws and adjust the fixture to the corresponding position. First, we need to loosen the 4 screws. And then swing the bottom plate in this direction. If there is such a labeling effect, then we will swing the bottom plate in the opposite direction. If you encounter the above 2 labeling problems, you can solve the problem by following the adjustment method we just mentioned. And about this small part, we usually only use it when labeling these 3 bottles. Yes, these 3 bottles. This small part is to use to hold the round bottle cap. By adjusting this screw, we can adjust the left and right spring of the jig, and adjusting this screw can adjust up and down position of this part. Please note that when fix the round bottle, we need to make the bottle body and the marking plate on the top for a parallel state. Which can be slightly tightened but not too severely. For square end bottles and the several other bottles, we don't need to use this small part. For the flat bottles, just need to put it into this mold. That's all for the machine. Thank you. If you have any other questions, just contact us.